Elderberry leaves. Okay, this is it. First I whipped up some eggs and milk. Then I took and dipped the flour into it. And here we go, we got a elderberry flour. Gonna let it cook for a while. There's my elderberry flour. These are elderberry leaves. That's my elderberry plant. You can see this one. This is ready to be picked. This is already too late. Here's one that's going to be good tomorrow or the next day. Here it is when it's done. And look at that. I wonder how it's going to taste. This is my first time. Alright, here it is. This is my first bite. Not bad. That's not bad. That's some good stuff. That's an elderberry flour. Oh man, it's really good. It's really, really good. This is really good. I should have tried one raw. I should have tried one cooked with no batter on it, but this is just outrageous. It's fantastic. Elderberry flowers. Man, and this is July 1st, and the last flowers are up there. I have one more flower. I'm going to get it tomorrow.